Hello everyone, welcome to Hojinx Motors Garage, the home of affordable quality transformations. Today, we will repair and respray the front bumper and fender of a Subaru Legacy. Twende kazi. We start off by securing and aligning the bumper in its rightful position. Filler is then lightly applied on the scrubbed surfaces and sanded down to smoothness. After sanding, the vehicle is then masked and primer is sprayed. Thereafter, the undercoat and final paint coat is sprayed. Once the paint has completely dried, buffing is done. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next project.